Hello there. Welcome to our fun and exciting journey of learning the alphabet. Today, I'm going to help you master the letter D in just 3 minutes. Ready? Let's get started. Learning letters is an important step in reading and writing, and the letter D is no exception. The letter D can be a bit tricky if you're new to English. But don't worry, we're here to make it easy and fun for you. But don't worry, with a bit of practice, you'll get the hang of it. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be a pro at recognizing and using the letter D. First, let's talk about how to pronounce the letter D. Pronunciation is key to making sure others understand you. It's made by placing the tip of your tongue behind your upper front teeth and then releasing a small burst of air. This sound is very distinct and important in many words. Try saying it with me, D, D, D. Great job. Keep practicing this sound to get comfortable with it. Now let's look at some words that start with the letter D. These words will help you understand how the letter D is used in everyday language. Repeat after me, dog. Dogs are friendly animals that many people have as pets. They are loyal and fun to play with. Door. You open and close a door to enter or leave a room. Doors are everywhere in homes, schools, and buildings. Duck. Ducks are birds that love water. They have webbed feet and are often found in ponds and lakes. Desk. A desk is where you can write or study. It's a great place to do your homework or read a book. Donut. Donuts are sweet treats with a hole in the middle. They come in many flavors and are a delicious snack. Excellent, you're doing amazing. Keep up the good work. Next, let's practice writing the letter D. Writing helps you remember the shape and form of the letter. Start at the top, draw a straight line down, and then curve around to the bottom. That's a capital D. It's like drawing a straight line and then a half circle. For a small d, start with a circle and then draw a line down the right side. Easy, right? The small d looks like a circle with a line attached to it. Remember, the letter D can be found at the beginning, middle, or end of words. It's a versatile letter that you'll see often. Here are a few more examples. Dance. Dancing is a fun way to move your body to music. Dancing is so much fun. It's a great way to express yourself and have a good time with friends. Bread. Bread is delicious and can be eaten in many ways. You can have it as toast, in sandwiches, or just plain. End. End means to finish. Every story has a beginning, middle, and end. Keep practicing these words and sounds and you'll master the letter D in no time. Practice is the key to becoming confident in using the letter D. Thanks for learning with me today. I hope you had fun and learned a lot. Don't forget to practice, and soon the letter D will be your new best friend. See you next time. Goodbye. Keep exploring the world of letters and words and you'll discover so many exciting things.